Hello friends, welcome to AMVI Academy. Today we will discuss some questions on the engine emissions. Question number 1. Pollutants are produced by the incomplete burning of the oil fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. Option A true, option B false. Answer is option A. The above statement is true. Question number 2. What are the major pollutants emitted from the exhaust due to incomplete combustion? Option A carbon monoxide, option B hydrocarbons, option C oxides of nitrogen, option D all of the mentioned. Answer is D all of the above mentioned. The major pollutants emitted from the exhaust due to incomplete combustion are: first carbon monoxide, second hydrocarbons, third oxides of nitrogen. Question number 3. Dash dash is a colorless gas of about the same density of air. Option A carbon monoxide, option B hydrocarbons, option C oxides of nitrogen, option D all of the mentioned. Answer is option A carbon monoxide. No other gas except carbon monoxide is a colorless gas. Of the same density as of air, while hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides have different densities. Question number 4. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas which, when inhaled, replaces the oxygen in the bloodstream so that the body metabolism cannot function correctly. Option A true, option B false. Answer is option A true. Question 5. Large amounts of CO concentrations when breathed in slow down physical and mental activity and produces health headaches, while large concentration will kill. Option A true, option B false. Answer is option B false. Explanation. No, even a small amount of CO concentrations when breathed in slow down the physical and mental activity and produces headaches, while large concentration will kill. Question 6. The amount of carbon monoxide form dash dash as the mixture becomes more and more rich in fuel. Option A decreases, option B increases, option C remains same, option D none of the mention. Answer option B increases. The concentration of carbon monoxide is directly proportional to the mixture. That is why the amount of carbon monoxide formed increases as the mixture becomes more and more rich in the fuel. Question number 7. A small amount of CO will come out of the exhaust even when the mixture is slightly lean in fuel. Option A true, option B false. Answer is option A true. As the products cool down to the exhaust temperature, a minor part of carbon monoxide reacts with oxygen to form CO2. Answer A, option A true, option B false. Answer is option B false. As the products cool down to exhaust temperature, a major part of carbon monoxide reacts with oxygen to form CO2. Question 9. If the combustion is complete, the only products being expelled from the exhaust would be water vapor and carbon dioxide. Option A true, option B false. Answer is A true. Question number 10. Air pollution is defined as an addition to our atmosphere of any material which will have a deleterious effect on life upon our planet. Option A true, option B false. Answer is option A false.